Hey everybody, got a common problem I've seen on a lot of old square body S10s, and what this one's doing is the front signal lights are working fine, you know, left and right, but you get to the back and they're very dim, and I'll show you here in a second, but they're very dim, and if you turn it on the left, both filaments will light up, but barely, but also on the opposite side, then one filament will light up, but barely, and all kinds of trouble. So let me show you what it's doing. Ignore the condition of this fine automobile. Oh, of course, I'm going to fumble around with my keys for 20 minutes here. Okay. So see, you turn it on. Of course, you got your left signal light. So out here, it works fine. You know, left's flashing, right ain't. But you come back here, and that's really dim, but both filaments are burning. You come over here, though, and also really dim, but one filament is burning. And the same way if you do the other side. You know, if you, yeah, like I say, if you give the right signal, then the same thing. That one, both filaments burn, this one the single. So anyways, I was digging around, and hopefully I've got enough light. It's late in the evening, so. But anyways, what I found is if you pull the harness off, so you got this, you got the connector out here, and so it's in the harness. I found this little wire broke. So what I done, I was pretty sure that went to ground. So what I done, just to make sure I didn't fry anything, is I put a fusible link right there. So I just temporarily grounded that through a fuse just to see if that was the problem, and sure enough, let me show you here. Okay, see, now we've got it grounded. Okay, it's now extremely bright over here and nothing over here like it should be. And I just noticed how bad I'm shaking this camera. Man, y'all gonna be sick. But anyways, see, so now that one works. And of course, now the brake lights work good, the park lights and everything. So yeah, just a quick little video. I figured I'd help you out. Just, you know, like I say, just that wire that was pinched or whatever happened to it, just run it to a good body ground, and that'll take care of your problems. Thanks for watching.